C in 100 seconds. fgets. Scanf reads one word at a time and has no length limit. fgets is the safer alternative. It reads a full line with a size cap. A 20-character buffer. fgets will never write more than that. 3 arguments: the buffer, the max size, and stdin for keyboard input. It reads up to 19 characters plus the null terminator. One catch: fgets keeps the newline character. strcspn finds it, and we replace it with 0. Print the result in brackets so you can see exactly what was captured. Type in a sentence with echo. fgets reads the whole line, not just the first word. Safe, predictable, no overflow. Use fgets for string input in C. Next up, constants and macros.